Okay, we got the Corvette up on the lift. Somebody mentioned in one of my videos that they figured the gears in this car had been changed from the stock 345s to 410s. I'll try to put a link of the video up, but they basically said the RPMs were coming up too fast for how fast the car was going. And then another guy said that, no, that's not right. In the comments, he said, there's an issue with the tach readout in these cars, and sometimes they read too high, so the tach's reading too high. So we're gonna find out today. We're gonna check the rear end and see if this car's got 410s in it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. We grab the camera here and come underneath. So I got the car jacked up a bit so we can spin the tires. Right, now this is a limited slip differential, so we have to have both sides off the ground. You turn the wheel, and of course the other one turns as well. Okay, the drive shaft in these cars is up there. So we're gonna do one full rotation of the wheel and see how many times that drive shaft spins. If it spins roughly 3.5 times, that would indicate 345 gears, stock gears for these LT5 ZR1 cars. If it turns a little over 4, that means somebody's gone inside here and changed the gears out to 410s. So we're gonna find out which of the YouTube commenters is correct here. All right, so we'll make a mark. I just got a little piece of chalk here. I'll make a mark here on this tire, kind of at the bottom. And we may as well just make one over here too for fun. Tire should spin at the same rate, but right. And then we'll get up to that drive shaft, and we'll also make a little mark there as well. I'm just gonna make it here. Show you what I did there. Just kind of on the U-joint piece there. So where I'm standing here, it's just kind of popping up above the exhaust pipe. Okay, let's start spinning. Okay, I can see that there. So let's spin this one rotation and count. Okay. So there it goes around, round and around. Okay, so there's one, right about there. There's 2 there. There's 3. Okay, and our tires mark is, oh, it's coming down. It's coming down. 3.5 roughly, and look, we're right down there at the bottom. So these are 345 gears. Yeah, there's no way, like, it's not 4 times around until here, and the tire's gone around more than once already. So these are stock 345 gears. The tach is reading funny. So the guy who mentioned the tach readout being an issue, that maybe it can be corrected somehow, is correct. So these are 345 gears, stock gears. Thanks for watching. I think that guy deserves a prize. The car does not have 410 gears.